Hi everyone, this is Sumedha again with the spreadsheet lesson. So you can find out all the videos from Safe Institute, and if you want any resources to do the practicals, you can go to FB ICT for school students. So from this thing you can take the resources, and before you are going for the exam, do the practicals. So we'll move to spreadsheet lesson. I'll minimize this one. Okay, so here this is prepared by Sumedha Sir from Kahawat Vidyalaya. So here you can see the spreadsheet application structure. So here you have A, B, C, D. I have took a screenshot. So all the column letters are there up to A to K. So the row numbers 1 up to 14 you can see here. So if you want to get any cell A1, so it is going with the column heading and the row heading. Column heading is A and row heading is 1. So this is intersecting here. So A1 cell, B1 cell. So when you consider about C3, that is 85, A3, that is Vimal. So like that we can read the cells and the contents, whatever the contents that we have. So here in this spreadsheet worksheet you can see the text. This is centered, and the text directions are changed, and you can see the data that they have inserted, and some functions that we have to use to find some values according to their requirements. And you can see the average for whole. So here you have 33.5. when you have taken without the decimal points, that is 34 total. And the result, they have given a command. According to that command, whether the students have passed the exam or failed the exam with the help of the average. And we have to find the position, the rank of the students. Think about the school, how they are giving the reports. The highest marks will be the first, and the lowest marks will be the last. And number of points, we have to do some calculations. Later we will discuss about that. And here you can see count, how we can use the count function to count how many students are participating for the exam, and the total of this range, and total above 40, how many students got the sum of the marks who got more than 40, and number below 40, how many subjects are there. So we have to count how many subjects are there below 40. So here you can see 12 and 28. So there are 2. So you can take that. So here we have small range, but sometimes we are having millions of records. From these records we have to find out these things. So it will help from these functions. So functions already prepared, and it's with the Excel software, spreadsheet software. Then 5% you have to add, and 2% you have to deduct. So these are the main things that we are going to discuss in the Excel lesson. That is enough for your Excel. Then again, here you have the sum function. So how you can take the sum function? Equal, you have to put the equal sign, equal sum, you have to open bracket, and you have to give the range and close bracket. How you can use the formula? Equal, whatever the formula, this is the starting formula, starting cell. So B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. So this is a large cell. So you can see how they have represented a range. When you are writing the formula, you have to give each and every cell. But here, equal sum, the starting cell and the ending cell. In between cell you don't want to include. So the same thing happen in average. So equal average, already made things we are calling as the functions. It's available with the spreadsheet software. So equal average, open bracket, you are giving the range, closing bracket. If you want to give the formula, you have to give each and every cell. Equal B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. Then you are dividing by 4. Why? There are 4 cells. To take the average, you have to do this. Then equal round. Why you are using this round? Earlier you have same like how you have taken the average and average for the nearest whole number. So we want only the integer part. So equal round f2 comma 0. There's no decimal points. If you want 3 decimal points, you are giving comma 3. So it will give me 3 decimal points. And again, this is the command that we have to check whether the student has passed the exam or failed. So I have taken f2 greater than 40. If f2 greater than 40, that means f2 means the cell value. If the average is greater than 40, that student passed the exam. If the average lower than that, 40 or less than that, 40, 39, 38, that is fair. And the rank command we are using to calculate the position of the student. So as I said, the maximum total mark or maximum average mark will be the first in the class and the lowest will be the last in the class. So we have given equal rank. The cell value we have to check where you want to take the rank or the position, comma the range, comma 0 or 1. 0 means the highest value, 1 means the lowest value. And if you want to take the maximum from a range, you have to use equal max. Most students, they are typing the whole thing maximum. That is wrong. So you have to give equal max, open bracket, you have to give the range. And when you want to find the last in the class, you have to use the minimum. Equal min, open bracket, you are giving the range, closing bracket. Then from this range, it will find the minimum value and it will display. Then why you are using the count? To count how many cells contain integer values. Equal count B2 to B6. So we have typed marks. So they are counting how many marks has entered. If there are 4 students, the 4 marks has entered, so it will count. If you have given absent A, B or something, so that is not counting. So there are 4 cells, 1 cell containing A, B. So when you use this command, equal count B2 to B6, it will count all the integer values. The text values are not counting, so it will give 3 as the output. So here you have to take the total of this thing. So as we have discussed earlier, equal sum, whatever the range that you want, you are giving the range, and with that it will display the total. Sum if means we are giving a command. We want to take the total of according to this criteria, according to this command. So you are giving greater than or equal 40. So 40 including above will be taking the total, and it will display the output, the total of the marks. So here we have given the range too. Count if. Now we have to count how many number of students for their exams they have took less than 40. So that means 39 and the range. So you have to give equal count if B2 and this thing.